on, everyone? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we all? Good morning. Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Friday. You. Or maybe Thursday, depending where you are. Goldie's having a push. Probably straight up into here before we can even get it. Did any of you guys get anything in here at all? Morning, everyone. What's up? Now I've got a new microphone that I'm going to try and hook up, courtesy of Brett. Brett sent me a microphone to help with my streaming, which is fantastic. Morning, guys. What we get? Yeah, got some. Nice. Got some entries. Oh yeah, Goldie's slowly. Again, like this, without going too much into it, this is what we're trading. Whether it was a couple weeks ago. Probably one of my favorite setups when gold's at all-time highs. Wait for it to create a high here, let it retrace, and then just take all the liquidity grabs up into these highs, and it just seems to be so effective. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'm just here we go. How does that audio sound? How does this sound? I got this fancy new microphone. Let me see. Is there a difference there? Oh, wow. Let's see. Courtesy of Brett. Brett sent me a microphone. Got some entries. My favorite setups when... Yeah, absolutely. How does this sound? I got this fancy new microphone. Let me see. Here we go. Yeah. Does that audio sound better for you guys? That clarity voice. Welcome back to another FWA trading stream in Asia. Let's see what gold can give us. Oh, sweet. Cool. W's in the chat. W audios. All right. Thanks for the good stream, guys. We got the W. No worries. Nah, it's great. Again, huge shout out to Brett. Absolute legend. He is an absolute legend. Well, looks like Goldie's just coming to rip these highs. So let me just set this up. I had a bit of a busy morning, to be honest. Oh. Cool. Get that up. Hello, Mark. Good morning. Yeah, this is nice. It's a pretty fancy microphone. What's our mate Copper up to? What is our mate Copper up to? Yeah, Copper grabbing the lows. It's sort of in this no man's land though, like you've bought back up into a previous level of resistance, but then like you're holding a level of support here. What was I doing? I just want to check if I do this music. Fantastic, how good. Where is it? Apparently there's a way that you can like wrap around. Again. W Brett. How's everyone's week been? There's been some amazing moves. Incredible moves. I reckon any grabs of these lows, we're taking longs up into there, baby. 25 ticks. Easy money. Actually, no, I can't say that. Hypothetically speaking, it may play out. It's rejected now. Yeah, no, not me. Is Aaron still on his 20-hour stream from yesterday? Clipped, damn. I heard a police report, some guru doing hot laps in a bright green Lambo. Cool. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be looking for, guys. Grab at these lows, and I'm not the slightest interested in sells if we're taking a trade on gold. I'm not even interested. Oh yeah, is the music fine? It's not too loud as well. This is, oh, it literally is. Look at this. It's from this playlist. It literally is a Minecraft thing. This sounds like, yeah, Dre Day, AK, can't swear. Wait for this 15 to close. Do I trade futures? Yes, I do. I do trade futures. I just need to test this mute function just in case I do get a call from Pal and I need to talk to him off stream. Wow, the audio difference is insane. That's a big W for Brett. Yeah. I got another 50k with Top Step on Tuesday, which I'm yet to activate yet. But they don't send me the certificate. I get like the email, but I don't get a certificate. But yeah, another Top Step 1 locked in, which is good. No, I don't. I do not enter the giveaways. Otherwise, if I want a giveaway, everyone would be like, that is definitely an inside job. This has to be an inside job. See if I can put this up. There's actually a pretty nice equity curve on this Top Step combine. It was just a little 50k. Here we go. See if you guys can see this. You see that? So it's still on the resets that I've had for when they first released Top Step X. I was able to get them that I've just had there. But you can see like a nice 5 days. Boom, 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 boom. But yeah, I just haven't activated it yet, so. But that was nice. That was nice. which was crazy. It was just the volume on gold, like just 2 contracts taken, you know, 20, 30 ticks pretty aggressively, but did it. So yeah, it's nice when you see, obviously I've had it before where it's like up, down, and it's slowly there, but this is just a nice steady equity curve. So it's always good just to show as a bit of proof of, I guess, trading and that sort of thing. So yeah, I just need to activate it. All right, 15's rejecting here. I ran out of fruit too. I don't have any berries or bananas for my smoothie, which is quite sad. That's not a W. Yeah, Copper's just grabbed all them lows. Could you run back up into like daily highs? Maybe. Maybe. Depends how that's going to close. Like you wouldn't even be you'd be waiting for the 1 to 2 on the 50k is what I was doing. My usual go-to smoothie will be oats, berries, like chocolate protein powder, Greek yogurt, some creatine, and sometimes a banana if I've got some bananas floating around. But berry smoothies are usually like berry banana smoothies. You can't go past them. I love them. So I have one every day. Good way to get some protein and fill you up. Drop a little like for the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Get that algo pumping. Appreciate you all tuning in on your Friday. What are we all up to? Are we all just chilling today? Or I suppose it's probably a different time everywhere, wherever you are in the world. On the tools. Had a wild dog run past this morning. Had to go chase down another bit. A wild dog? Wow. What, did you chase it down on foot? Did you have like a motorbike or something? Can't sleep. Might as well tune in and say hi to Trading Gear with Mustache. Absolutely. Absolutely. Nice. On the keyboard tools, yeah, it's like these hands are weathered. They're weathered by the harsh keyboard elements. Right, this 15's just closed. See, if that had been a nice engulfing, you could have taken like a bottom wick entry, but no trades here for me just yet. Thursday night feed. Oh, tomorrow's your birthday, Simon. Nice. Let's get a present or a W or something in the chat. Wish Simon a happy birthday. Give some W's out for Simon. W birthday. Happy birthday for tomorrow, mate, on a Saturday. Oh yeah, of course. I find time zones are the most interesting thing that you can, like, when you're flying time zones, you're literally time traveling in a sense. Yeah, may all the combines be passed. Absolutely. Yeah, nice. I love it. Friday Bants, how good. How good. So this is why we don't rush into buying gold when we don't get a favorable close, because then that happens. Good trading week. Yeah, it has been. Has been quite a good week. There's been some very nice moves. It's nice that gold, you know, as you guys would know, gold was caught in this crap for ages. And it's nice that it sort of had some upside targets. And obviously it's cool to think, you know, we'll look back in 10, 15, 20 years and be like, we were watching gold when it was at 2,600 and it'll be at like, whatever it'll be at, like 4 grand or something. Who knows? Who knows where gold's going to go? Been watching GJ a bit too, which has been nice. Just when I think it's good to watch other instruments, you know, when gold's chopping and, you know, this has sort of been moving quite nicely zone to zone, but that's just on the personal account that I still trade. Hey, Izzy, welcome back, mate. Welcome back to another stream. It's good to have how many we got here? Like 38 people-ish. Pleasure to have you guys back. Cheers for tuning in. I was just saying before, I'm only interested in buys if I'm buying today. I don't care if I miss sells. Buys, if you think in a term of probability, like, you're mad to be selling. You can sell, catch little scalps, but I'm only interested in buying. Only interested in buying for me personally. Yeah. I've been funded with my funded futures as well, and I've got a couple payouts from Alpha Capital Group on the FX account. So nah, Aaron copied me. He copied me. He saw my charts. He said, "Damn, those are good looking charts." No, you can, it's literally just blue and white. I just find it nicer than red and green. Is this tuned by yourself? Here, I'll show you if you want. It's literally just that one. If you want to take a screen snip, if you can see that. It's just that blue. Yeah, I like it. I really like it. It's just that blue and literally white for body and wick. So the blue's like somewhere in there. Opacity 100, nothing crazy. So if you want to put that on yours, they're the settings. It's nothing too crazy. Obviously, I don't use indicators or anything like that. The only indicator I've got on my chart is this down here, which is very handy. It tells you like the different time frames, which is that one there. But yeah, I don't use indicators at all. You don't need them. Yeah, typical. Hey, the candle's got to look nice for Instagram. I'm sure they'd have a say in that. A screenshot, yeah, that's it. Nothing too crazy, just a nice sort of like a marine blue color, I guess. A sort of like a marine blue color, I guess. A sort of like a marine blue color, I guess. So yeah, this mic sounds fantastic. I'm very happy. So yeah, this mic sounds fantastic. I'm very happy. So yeah, this mic sounds fantastic. Oh, echoing like crazy. Sick. Yeah, how's the 4 hour looking? I've been implementing an interesting thing that I've noticed with candles, because I've been trying to focus more on my entries being bottom wicks in a way of anticipating the next candle to continue the way the previous one closed, because you'll see usually you get 2 candles in a row that, like, obviously not all the time, but that if it closes a bullish or a certain way, the next one's usually bullish. And then, like, if you're looking at, you know, daily ranges, and this has been quite interesting, if you anticipate that, you know, because we closed so heavily bullish on... Are we lagging? Now we're lagging. Yeah, I did a speed test this morning. The internet was like well down. It was well down of what it normally is. Hold on. Before I start yabbering. Internet was like well down. It was well down. Oh, it's not. Yeah. So what I was saying is, yeah, chart sleep videos. Absolutely. If you're anticipating, you know, the next candle on Goldie is going to dip down first before then coming for the highs, you want to be buying it if a bottom wick below the candle close when it's a bullish candle, which if you mark that out, you want to be buying it down here to take the flip, which has been a very interesting theory because I got 2 trades yesterday. Where is it? One and... yeah, here. Hold on. Where are we? It was one of them. I think it was this one. No, that one. Pardon me. So I got 2 trades yesterday that were literally... I got this one. Obviously, price coming into this high as a target. And I was actually on the 30-minute. I waited for the 30-minute to close. And literally just took, as soon as it started bottom wicking, executed, just bought, risked off those lows. And then I was targeting these highs. We did pull back and my runner got tagged out. And then I literally did the same on this one here. Again, anticipating that these highs are going to get grabbed. You can see close bullish here. Bottom wick, actually got a really nice entry and then just took it up into those highs there for another 22 ticks, which was actually very simple and very straightforward. It's something I've been testing because, as you know, the guys that were on the last stream saying that if you're, you know, this is closed bullish, you've grabbed lows, you've closed bullish, you've got clear highs to take. If the next one's going to flip bullish, you're going to highly likely need a bottom wick first. So if you're buying on the bottom wick, risking off the lows, that's your entry. By the time you're breaking the candle highs, which a lot of people are taking the trade or entering into it, still risking off these lows. So they're risking off these same lows if they're taking the break of that candle high. Or they're anticipating that that's only the bottom wick. And how many times have we seen gold bottom wick twice? So as that's breaking the highs, you're up 11 ticks. You could even go break even. You could be break even at that point when they're just getting into the trade. Whereas they're still risking off these lows, and then, you know, you're getting 11, 12 ticks, and it's just seems like a much more aggressive, it is more aggressive way, but I've been really enjoying doing it. There's been some good results from it. And it's not going to work all the time, but it doesn't need to. You know, would you say that at least 50% of the time, if a candle closes a certain way, say bullish, and there's clear highs to target, that the next candle is going to continue bullish? Yeah, probably. So say that at least 50% of the time, if a candle closes a certain way, say bullish, and there's clear highs to target, that the next candle is going to continue bullish. Yeah, probably. So 44 people here. How many likes we got? $16 likes. Like up the stream. Let's go. Get the algo pumping. Drop a little like if you can, guys. I turned on subscriber only commenting as well, just because it might help with, you know, you get some bots and spam things, keep them away so we can actually keep our chat good. Copper with a big fake out there. Is anyone else looking at anything else you want to break down? Let's have a look at the old faithful biddy. I didn't take this, but I just drew it up as a proof of concept. But look how nice. I don't have any of this, but like look how nice liquidity grab. Like liquidity grabs are just so, they just work so damn well. But like it doesn't need, like look at that. Boom, boom, support, grab, close above. Huge. Huge. Yeah, it's nice to see, like, and that's the benefit too. If you zoom out and look, like, that's a clear support level there. You start breaking off this and you grab liquidity, you could have an option there, but I don't hold any of it or have any of it, so. GJ. Oh, did it? Daily trend line. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. Yeah, there's a big one like through there. Yeah, it's a good spot. About to get that 4-hour and hourly close here. You can see we've rejected quite hard. I'm going to map up a sell. I'm not taking it. I'm going to map up a sell into these hourly lows just as a forward test of this. What's that? 9 ticks. Not worth it. Not worth it. I don't think I have traded ES in Asia. No, I don't think so. Oh, I'll be honest with you guys, the smoothie is not very good today. There's your top wick. Just your risk could be high, but yeah. Well, it could be a nice fake out on Goldie, but you'd have to wait for the 5-minute to close now. Oh my days. Look at that. That's why I wasn't interested in selling. again, with something like this too, there's no like, say this goes and then rips the highs like it was meant to. There's no entry here. Or for me personally, it's all well and like, yes, we jumped on stream and said, hey, these highs look like they're probably going to get grabbed at some point today. But for me personally, there was like, even if this rips highs now, there's no entry here. There's no way you'd be, after this closed like that, there's no way you'd be taking buys off that. Like, it's just one of those things. If it rips the highs, you go, cool, wasn't my trade. Yeah. It can be frustrating, but rice protein. Ooh. I don't even think rice has protein. I don't even know how they do that. I took a swing play risking off the low 40 ticks below my entry, but got away with it if I was chasing all time highs. Yeah, cool. Yeah, and that's the thing. Like, unless you were willing to risk drawdown to then get the all-time highs, maybe, but copper's actually looking nice. Pardon me. Yeah, that's what I mean, Simon. Like, yes, it's all well and good saying, hey, these are going to be, hit at some point, but if there was no entry here. There was absolutely, like, your 5 closed bearish and then has pushed this high bullish. Yeah, if I missed that trade, it's like there was not an entry there for me, so. Copper could be nice, though. We could take a little stab at copper. If this R5 can close above here, take a little stab there. But you're just coming into, just traffic. You'd really want to be in on the bottom wick, though, is the only thing. Like, wait for the 15 to hold above, but it could just rip the highs. Because where'd you be? I mean, if you bottom wicked down into there, maybe you could take something like that. But you're trading on the 5, which, as you can see, like, your bottom wicks and top wicks on your hourly 30 and 15 are so much more reliable. Because otherwise, let's just mark it up and see. Because this 5, you could have push, and then you get this next one drop down and close, which makes the 15 look incredibly doji. Because that's where, if you were taking this, that's where your risk would need to be off. Let's see. We'll have it marked up and see. Yeah, I'm amazed how good that audio sounds. Huge difference. I'm on gold. Happy 26 ticks. Absolutely. That's fantastic, Chris. Oh, look at it go. Yeah, there's your, that's the move we were looking at. Very nice. Yeah, look, it's unfortunate, guys. That was what we wanted when we jumped on stream, but even if you'd taken this bottom wick after this 30 close, you would have been stopped out. Yeah. It's unfortunate. Same thing happened in that first trade on Wednesday's stream when we didn't really get quite enough of a bottom wick. And like, there's no way, even if you waited for that 5 to close, there's no way you'd be buying there, risking off that to get that. Like, it just doesn't make sense. So it's a bit annoying because that would have been our trade for Asia, which is what we were talking about when I first jumped on. It's a little bit unfortunate there. It's P500. Yeah, you can risk it, man. I'm not risking it. Because where was your stop loss have been? You can. I'm not risking that for 10 ticks. I want to be buying it down here. Yeah, that's cool. Everyone's got a plan. I know for a fact that, you know, if you start jumping in these, you get caught out with this. Imagine if you jumped in that off, or this. Imagine, look, it's a prime example. For me, this is just me personally. See this? Yeah, okay, cool. You take that break into the 20 ticks or whatnot. Look what happened here. Same thing. Imagine if you'd taken that, you'd be straight to stop loss. So that, over the long term, for me, isn't worth it. Good stuff, mate. Good stuff. 2 ticks, 25 contracts. Cheers, mate. Cheers for tuning in. Yeah, I've had that. That's what I was saying, Simon. Like, yes, I could have, you know, taken that and taken the punt on that 5 minute. But if this had happened, if that had just ripped straight back down, you'd be going, why on earth was I gambling? Like, I might as well flipped a coin or gone to black or red. So I'm going to say casino. The previous 30 took out previous 30. We could have taken the flip of that 30. Which one? This one? That one? Yeah, maybe, but it's all about, like, even if you're taking break of the highs, like, there's no way you'd know. Oh my days. There's no way you'd know to trade against that as a bullish. How often would taking buys here play out if that was your candle? Over 100 trades. Probably not very. So good job to the guys that executed. Like I said, for me personally, with my plan, there wasn't an entry that I was comfortable with. So that's, as I said last stream, beauty about trading. Everyone sees something different. Could rip 300 ticks and it's like, yeah, that's all right, but it's still going to be there tomorrow or next week, which is good. My days. Yeah, full margin. Here, let's go. I'd say there'd be so many people jumping. They'd be jumping in these breakout buys here. They'll probably have their stops somewhere here now. Yeah, I think based on the setup, if you grab something, if you grab 20 or 30 ticks out of it, I think that's fantastic. Because it was, you know, on the riskier side, but yeah, I just wasn't comfortable flipping that 5 for, what, 8 or 9 ticks. Down here, maybe, like if it had closed above here, absolutely. You know, 18 tick risk for at least a 1-to-1, like absolutely. But now, see you, mate. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on London or on Wednesday, one of the two. Managed to scalp 30 ticks with 1 minute sharp. Yeah, nice. Yeah. I mean, if you guys took something out of that move, that's fantastic. That's your plan. That's your plan. Which, if you followed your plan, that's a great trade. For me, it wasn't a trade I was happy with. There was no entry for me, so I didn't take it. We also got big news today, guys, as well. Copper could be. Yeah, I wouldn't look if you've grabbed money out of the market and taken your 20 or 30 ticks, walk away, be done for the day. You don't need to keep jumping in on everything. Otherwise, just give it all back. Might get up for lunch during 1 a.m. my time. Day off tomorrow. Doesn't matter if I'm a little tired. Yeah, no stress, Simon. Birthday day. Surely you at least get a sleep in or something. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I mean, if you guys got something, sweet. I personally don't trade the 1 minute or the 5 minute. I trade the higher ones because it just moves so much cleaner. Let's have a look. What's that, the 30? 15? What's the strat? Liquidity and volume. Liquidity and volume. Yeah, I mean, it's one of those things. You sort of have a high confidence, as we did when we jumped on stream, that these highs are going to get taken at some point. So you could just execute, and you know, if you're happy with the drawdown. Rick, we trade liquidity grabs and volume. There's heaps of free videos, but we're not just giving away the full strategy. There's heaps of videos on Aaron's channel as well. I'm not sure if you tune into Aaron around how we trade, but yeah. Live streams and yeah, free videos you'll see when we take a trade. That's pretty much it, man. Liquidity, yeah, pretty much. Liquidity grabs and waiting for volume. Fake outs, liquidity grabs, that kind of thing. Confirmation. In terms of trading, how would you characterize, as in the month, like my month, or as in like just as an overall snapshot? I think it's been pretty good, to be honest. Gold did have a bit of this choppiness, but overall, like, some of these moves have been absolutely fantastic. Like, what have we done? When's this? Since the 10th. So this whole last week, we've just ripped 100 ticks almost. No, 1,000 ticks. Yeah, 1,000 ticks in a week and a bit is just mental. That's why I had zero interest in sells. Yeah, appreciate all you new guys tuning in. Shame there wasn't a trade there, but again, the analysis was sound. What do we think about copper? Yeah, it's pretty, yeah, appreciate you tuning in too, Rick. It's just mainly based around liquidity. Liquidity grabs is a fundamental thing. Copper is bottom wicking. You haven't grabbed these highs, which is nice. It's just a little forward test. But again, you're in this range. Like if you look left, what have we done in this whole box here? What have we done here? Absolutely nothing. There's no direction. So yes, you could take that, but is it a high probability? Probably not as high as what it could be. Missed out. Yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. I missed out too. That 15 just closed. That doesn't sound very much like Melbourne, Chris. It was probably sunny when you woke up, and it'll be sunny this afternoon. Yeah, golden rule though of the animals in Australia, if you don't bite them, it doesn't bite you. Alright guys, I'm just going to make a quick coffee. I'll be back in like a minute or two. And fill up my water bottle. What did I miss? Gold ripping? Is it just ripping? Yeah. The noises. No, it's probably I had to chuck the stuff in the dryer. Must be a pretty sensitive mic. What did I miss? Alright, let me catch up on the chat. Yeah, cool. All caught up. Yeah, gold's ripping. That's right. That's okay. It's annoying, but it's alright. Happens. We got news coming out later today as well. I think it's is it unemployment claims. Oh no. Retail sales, GBP retail sales, 4 p.m. Yeah. Matthias, if you click on the link, the little link I've pinned in the chat, that takes you to the page and it tells you all the breakdown of everything. So if you click on that little link in the pinned chat, it gives you all the info if it's something you're interested in. But otherwise, just tune into the live streams, which we do for free. It's up to you. pin it again. If any of the newer guys want to suss out what's inside or anything like that, it's got it all there, but you can just tune in to live streams and get some value there. See, look, no bottom wick either, just rip. ES and not brought into the moderators list. Trying to set up that Nightbot. A full-time, no, not full-time. I do trading and I've got another business that I run on the side. So I don't think I'll ever be, I think full-time trader. I don't think anyone's ever a full-time trader because a lot of these other guys have other businesses and stuff like that. So in terms of full-time as trading being my only source of income, I'll never be full-time. But yeah, I trade and I've got another business that I run as well. So yeah, I guess technically not full-time trader, but I'm not employed. I don't have a job. So I'm technically unemployed. Just trade demo, unemployed. Simple. Lambo cleaner, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm unemployed. I'm unemployed. Gold's just ripping. Yeah, but the thing is, 9 to 5s can be a tool you can use to leverage your trading and really accelerate your trading process. So it's not a bad thing as long as you're in a as long as you're in something you enjoy doing. Doesn't matter if you're a barista or anything like that. Nah, not a financial advisor. Not a financial advisor. Got in training 3 months ago, so still not a lot. Still a lot. Yeah, no, awesome. It's definitely a journey. Just stick at it. Stick at it. If I can say the things that'll help you, don't use indicators. Find a strategy and a mentor that you like that works and just stick with it. And psychology, it's all psychology based. If you haven't, read Trading in the Zone and Best Loser Wins. And yeah, that's all it is. Psychology. I'm a firm believer you could have a 100% win rate strategy, but if your psychology isn't there, you'll still lose money because it is one of the most psychologically testing industries that there is. And you find out so much about yourself. Yeah, like I'd argue that all strategies are profitable. Every strategy, support and resistance is profitable, but if you don't have the psychology, then you're not going to succeed. So yeah, absolutely, Rick. 100%. 100%. It's good to have you on the stream though, mate. Do you trade as well? Let me just check it out. Look at your channel. Nice. Order flow, price levels. Nice. Oh, so doing US streams. Yeah, sweet. Nice, mate. Good to have you on the Asia stream. It's a crazy rip on gold. What's copper doing? Still mucking around. Grabbed all these highs, rejecting. How do you find a mentor? To be honest, man, we're very fortunate that we have YouTube and we have social media. I think you need to find a mentor that you actually like as a person that doesn't try and sell you a lifestyle. And for example, man, if this, I mean, we haven't taken a trade, but if you tune into the streams and it's something you like to see, Aaron trades live London every day. I do Asia 2 times a week. You're obviously more than welcome to tune in for a few months. You don't have to buy a single thing. Like there's free value there. You could literally learn off just tuning into the live streams, man. You don't have to. If it's something you like, just join the live streams, man. Absolutely free. And Aaron goes live every day, so you don't have to spend a cent. And then you can go from there. If it's something you want to learn more of, then you can look at the community. But, man, just honestly, for the first few months, just join a few people's live streams. There'll also be a lot of traders that aren't transparent that won't live stream. So if you see someone that does live stream, it probably gives them a little bit more credibility because they're actually, I guess, having the balls to show up live as well. So yeah, no, awesome, Rick, yeah. No, I wasn't trying to be a meanie before about the strategy. It's just one of those things, you know. Everyone trades a bit differently and stuff, but obviously the details of the strategy are a bit more locked down. But it's all on the stream. But you're right, man. It's good to listen. Where are you based? Where are you based, Rick? Are you in the US, or are you? What time is it where you are? And Matthias, honestly, man, and it goes for anyone early on in your trading journey, if anyone's trying to sell you something off the bat, it probably means they don't have the right intentions. Find someone that'll give free value and show up every day, something you don't actually need to pay for. If someone's trying to sell you something straight off the bat, they're probably not genuine. They're probably just trying to sell you the lifestyle, man. So there's so much free value on YouTube. Hey, Nathan's here. Welcome, mate. Welcome. Tanzania. Karim, nice to have you on, mate. Nice to have you on. Yeah, I missed it too, Nathan. A few of the guys got it, but a few of the guys, took it up into these highs, but I didn't get an entry in here. Like, I wasn't trading against that. I suppose no one had any way of knowing gold was going to rip up and do that after closing so heavily bearish. Yeah, you're right, mate. I got that new mic set up too, so hopefully the audio sounds a bit crisper, which it sounds like it does, which is good. Oh, Goldie's broken the screen. Jeez. What's this? Like a 100 tick push in Asia. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, if you weren't in from around here, risking off those lows, then for me, what's that? Like, I didn't jump on the charts till this candle closed. And I was like, oh, I had zero way of knowing that was going to do that. But it's just mental. You look at gold, gets caught in like this. What? 100 tick range from the 8th till the 10th, like 2-3 days of nothing range and all this stuff, and then you wait for it, and then this happens. Insane. What platform do I use? Depends, man. I trade on Top Step and My Funded Futures, which is Tradeovate, and just MT5 for my personal. So there's a few different platforms that I use. Just depends what you want to do. How do you fall? Thanks for stream, Mark. Cheers, Nate. Hope you have a great weekend too, mate. Thanks for tuning in. Taking the bad trade, chasing the 230s funded. Oh, went out. I got back 735. Got to stop chasing. Yeah, that's it. That's it, Chris. And, you know, if you've only got a couple of $100, just hold off for like a little one contract. A little scalp. You don't have to hit a home run. Hey, Brad. How are you, mate? Yeah, not much to do here. I don't think I'm going to sit around and watch gold for too much longer. But yeah, missed trade. Some guys got it. I didn't end up getting it, but good to have you on stream. 145 minutes for 1 week of sideways. FOMO kicks in hard. Yeah, it does. It does, man. It does suck. How do you make the red and green block markets? How do you mean, Matthias? What do you mean, man? Yeah, do you mean the colors? Like, how do I change the colors over? If that's what you mean, you can just double click on the candlesticks, and I've just got it as blue and white. If that's what you mean, man. Hopefully it doesn't rain here. Yeah, there's unfortunately copper's moving nice now. Could you get a little scalp on copper here? 5 minute about to close, dip down. Might as well watch copper since Goldie's off to the races. Where are we at? The hourly's about to close though. I reckon could be a shout. Wait, see how this hourly closes on copper. If we get a bottom wick on the next hourly, we could then look to flip it long up into those highs. Let's see. Let's mark this up. Bottom wick. Little bottom wick, not much though. See, on those bottom wick entries, like if you wanted to, you'd already be break even. You'll break even by the time everyone's getting in the trade as it breaks the highs. Oh no, accidentally got in longs. Click on the 5th menu item on the left, forecasting. Yeah, Matthias. Or you can double click on the candlesticks and it'll bring up the Oh, sorry, I get what you mean. These ones. Yeah. Sorry. So it's over on the over here on this projection thing on the left. Long position, short position. Sorry, mate. That's what you meant. Yeah, if you go on the left on your trading panel to the little, it looks like just above where the square is, and you'll see these long position, short position, and then you can favorite them. Do you measure with shift click? Yes. Yep, shift click, and that's how I usually do it. It's nice and easy. Shift click and then go for it. On copper, to be honest, I haven't really traded copper, so I'm still not super familiar with if ticks or whatever works. But on gold, for example, this is disgusting. On gold, like I know that's 80 ticks, 85 ticks. But with copper, I know it's the same on like ES and that sort of thing. Like ES is in points, so 10 points, which is 40 ticks, which is like 40 times 1250, so it's a bit of a muck around. Yeah, so you shift and then you click where you want to go, and then you can just do it, and it saves you having to bring up the measuring tool. No, I'm not in copper. I was just marking it up. I was saying if we can get an hourly close, we could potentially look at taking bottom wick entries into these highs, risking off these lows, but Sammy, depends, man. Usually if it's contracts, like 1 to 2. 1 to 2 contracts. Yeah, absolutely. Everyone does. All right. That's crazy. Probably going to jump off shortly, to be honest, guys. No point sitting and watching this. There's going to be no trades for me on gold with this after that rip. I'm not trading that. Copper, maybe, but the only real thing I see, which would be an hourly play anyway, is if you bottom wick here and then you take it up into the highs, which you'd be risking off there. So you'd put the trade on and forget it. That's pretty much the only two things I see. We'll see how the hourly closes. But if you guys have made money, like go and do something. If you've taken money out of the markets in Asia, go for a walk. Go do something. Go do something you enjoy doing. Go do a hobby. Get outside. Go for a walk. Go for a swim. Whatever it is, like go do something. You don't have to. We don't do this to be glued to the screens. We do this for freedom. So if you've taken money out of the market that 98, or I know the statistic changes by the people that fail, but if you've taken money out of the market, you're in the top 1 to 2% in the world of people that do this. So don't be a slave for the charts. Yeah, no, cheers, Simon. Appreciate you tuning in, mate. And happy birthday for tomorrow. Happy birthday, tomorrow. Hope it's great. I'll probably see you next week, mate, if I don't catch on one of the London streams. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. All good, all good. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully there's some value, even though, we didn't take a trade here. I mean, as I said, literally the only one I could see, which I'm not taking, would be if this could bottom wick, which is just going to rip. Bottom wick, risk off the previous hourly low and target these highs and just set and forget. No worries, Simon. Cheers, mate. And this is the only trade I was talking about. Like that's the only thing I would have been looking for. And it looks like it's going to pretty much play out bang on. But yeah, grabbed there, come down bottom wick and pushed up. Yeah, no worries, Matthias. Wish you all the best on your journey, man, and tune in. Aaron goes live every day too for London sessions, so make sure you check him out. That's where I learned it all from, so we both trade exactly the same way. He taught me everything. There's the exact trade I was talking about. Smash, bottom wick, and push up into those highs. So no trades for me today, guys, but I do appreciate... try it again. I do appreciate you all tuning in on your Friday, so hopefully there's still some value there for you today. It's awesome to jump on stream. I love doing it with you guys. So I appreciate you all tuning in. Thanks for the little like. If any of the newer guys do want to learn anything more in depth about the strategy or the community, I've got the little link up there. If you do want to, otherwise, honestly, just tune into the live streams. We've got heaps of value there that don't cost a cent. So yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll be on next Wednesday for another Asia stream, or I'll chat to you guys for the London stream this afternoon with Aaron. But enjoy. Sweet, guys. Sweet. Cheers, guys. Yeah, have a great weekend. If I don't talk to some of you before that, have a great weekend, and we'll do it all again next week. Enjoy. See you guys.